So this is the Keter Workbench review. I've just recently purchased this. It's probably one of the fastest deploying workbenches you can buy. And all you have to do is press these red buttons either side. Let it drop. Push the sides out. Push the centre up. You get a red indicator says it's locked in position. That's it, so it's done. 90% of the time I'll use the workbench like this, just for storing all my gear on it. Like, I'll put my radio on the back, I'll have all my tools laid out, so I'm not hunting around from them and bending over and picking them up. It just helps with workflow. So yeah, great bench, really fast to deploy. I've not had any issues with it at the moment. I'll show you me putting it down. So just the reverse of that, you just pull the centre down, push the sides in. And then you just grab the bottom shelf, pull towards you, let it drop, and that's it, done. Right, I'll just put the workbench up again. I'll show you another great feature about this workbench. Is that it comes with two clamps that just tucked away under here. So just open them up. Two little guys go in here, and to lock this into position you have to close it, and that's it, that's in position. It's got adjusters on these back pieces which you don't normally have on these clamps. So if we get a piece of, I'll get the other clamp in. So right in there. So adjust those tight, and then just one squeeze, locked into position. And the good thing about this is, if normal clamps that would be in this kind of position, you keep pumping away until the back jaw hit the piece of wood. You'd end up with all this in your way for like doing any sawing or drilling. So having it how they've designed it, where you can just move that bottom back clamp, and that's it, and there's nothing in your way for when you're drilling and cutting. I think that's a really great feature. This workbench can hold 453 kilograms or 1,000 pounds. I bought this from my local tool station for £70 or $194. Feels nice and sturdy. I'm happy with it. And compared to the old Black & Decker Workmate, you get so much more surface to use, a lot faster, and there's additional storage space on the shelf below as well. So yeah, I think it's a really good workbench, and yeah, great piece of kit. I like it.